Hey guys, welcome to Hey guys, welcome back to the On One Show. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while, and this is part 6, I believe, of the HTML coding training. And as you guys know, all good series, like YouTube series, have to come to an end. And I believe this is the end of this one. So let's get to it. By the way, if you guys finish with this video, finish the series, and you want to know more about coding, go to W3 Schools. I think it's a great website for learning anything you want to know, like how do you what? So if you want to figure that out, I bet you could look that up there. So today I'm going to be showing you guys about before I do anything, you guys are probably like, dude, what happened to the rest of the stuff we did? Like in the other, yeah. Well, the rest of the stuff we did in the other videos somehow got deleted. Like the file that I had got deleted. So I just kind of typed up some stuff here and it said like my circle because we're gonna make a circle with SVG. So let's do it. Let's get to it, yo. So SVG. That's not even how I'm. I can't type today. So SVG, we're gonna do. So for all the SVG I'm doing today. Yeah. All the SVG we're doing today, it's going to go in SVG tabs, right? But inside the first SVG file or tab thing, we're going to be saying how much space do we have to use the SVG. So the width of it, we're going to make it 350. That'll work. So we're going to do height equal record. No, we're going to make it 350. That'll just make everything easy for us. And then when we add the closing bracket, that's gonna create a new ending tab for us. And I think that only happens with this caret thing, like right here. Oops, that's not what I wanted to happen. So yeah, on caret you can do that. So it's a thing you can get on the Chrome store, and it's very helpful. It's a great website, I think, or not website, great extension. Whatever. And so, with that, we're going to start making our circle. And so, we're going to do circle CX. I think CX, I have no idea. You guys should look up what CX stands for me. Drop on that in the comments. Also, drop a like on this video if you thought it was helpful. And if you didn't think it was helpful, still drop a like on this video, because it gives me some moral support. Anyways, just kidding, you guys. So CX, I think an X has something to do with like X coordinates. So if we're gonna do like 50, and then we can do Y, Y, so X and Y coordinates. I think maybe, I'm not sure. Move strength equal sign there. It's better. Okay. Then we're gonna do 50 again. Let's just make this all even. And then we're gonna do R, which I think may stand for radius. I'm not sure. So let's do like 25. These seems like pretty compatible numbers. So we do stroke width. I'll explain that in just a second, you guys. Stroke width. What does stroke mean? Well, stroke, you guys, is basically the outline around the circle. So you'll see what I'm talking about that when we make our circle. So let's make our stroke width 4. Not too big, not too small, right? And then we can do stroke, right? And then we can do that. That's the stroke just all by itself, nothing else but stroke is the color. So we can make stroke color black. That just is simple, makes it easier. And then we can do fill. Fill equals. Phil's a nice guy, by the way. You guys should check out it. No, just kidding. Phil's not a person, especially not spelled F-I-L. I'm sure there's a fill, and that's not the. You got. Okay. And the fill, that's also going to be another color. That's going to be the color inside the circle. So let's make that blue. Blue's a fun color. Let's do that, and then that'll close it off. And that should be all you have to do to make a circle. Of course, this is like one of the simplest ways to do SVG here, and there it is. It's one of the simplest ways to do SVG. And you guys, that's simplest way to do SVG practically. So, see, what stroke is, look at my mouse here. Right on the tip of my mouse is that black line. That's what I was talking about by outline on the circle, and the fill is the blue thing inside. And so we can mess with these. I think the boundaries are pretty good. So if we make these 100, 50, we can double the size of the circle. See that? But if we don't change these, I actually don't know, because I haven't played with all of these, like, for as much as I would like to. See, haha. I'm not exactly sure how that comes into play, the CX and CY. Like I said, you guys should help me out on that, but if we double everything, I think, that should double the size of the circle, keep everything proportional. So, there, that would be that, and then we can also mess with the stroke width. Maybe we can make it 40. It's going to be a big... So, we control S for save. Look at that. See, the bigger you make the stroke, it changes the stroke size, believe it or not. So, I'm just going to keep that as a good number, maybe 20. Still pretty big, but, that's pretty good. We fill the stroke. Let's make the stroke green. Doesn't look good with our background, but for the sake of the video, let's just do it. See, told you that would look bad with our background. Let's make the inside black now. So you guys can just play with these numbers here, but as long as you have the rest of the code right, everything should turn out fine. But, like I'm going to show you guys right now, if you change the width and height of the SVG boundaries that you're allowed to work in, then you can't do a lot. Wait a sec. Oh, yeah. See, your CX and your CY are bigger than your width and height for the SVG boundaries. So we're going to do 120 and 120. It's like, see that? It's only giving some of the circle because we didn't give it enough space to fill the entire thing. So if we give it a bigger number, like 300, it'll show the entire thing. So you guys, that's going to wrap up the HTML training series. And I hope you guys enjoyed this series. If you did, like and subscribe to my channel, The All-in-One Show. It's pretty cool. So, yeah, check out W3 Schools. It's actually really helpful. And that's pretty much all you need to know that I'm going to... No, that's not true. But that's all I'm going to show you for this series. And hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time on The All-in-One Show.